Yo, what is up guys, Scale Michael here, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're doing another Sunstar Sunday for you guys. I'm not sure if this is actually the first Sunstar Sunday. I kind of recorded these at different times. Some of them are pre-recorded, some of them aren't. But we're doing a Sunstar Sunday for you guys, and this one is kind of fun. It's an unboxing yet again, and hopefully you guys will enjoy these types of videos. It's not exactly an unboxing because it's, well, you see it's in a bag. But it's an unboxing of sorts, and which means that I'll do a review on this item at some point, as well as an audio rip at some point probably, and a demo. So you can look forward to that eventually, whenever this is released. A few weeks later you should see that. Depending on how I do my Sunstar Sundays, just looking at them. This might be on a Sunday before Halloween, depending on whenever you're seeing this, but who knows. I'm trying to work on my schedule before I upload, but I don't know. I'm trying to do this because you obviously saw this video, so that means I worked it out. But anyway, guys, in here we have a Sunstar item that we're going to be taking a look at today, that I got for Christmas. And it arrived late, like a few months late, or not a few months late. It's January 15th, 18th, something like that, 17th maybe. So I don't know exactly what day it is right now. That's how it is being in lockdown, but yeah, and if you're seeing this when lockdown is over, good for you, but this is recorded during lockdown, so we're gonna open the bag up now with my knife here, and hope that I didn't puncture anything. It looks like I did fine. I'm just gonna set this knife down here now. So yeah, you'll notice I might be wearing a mask that is inconsistent with the other ones. That's how you know whether or not this is pre-recorded. So, like I said, I don't think you guys care, but content should remain relatively the same in consistency. So, what we actually got is a Faceless Spectre. To be honest with you guys, this is kind of a surprise for me. I wasn't sure exactly what we were going to be getting. I thought maybe we would be getting a skull guy, a chained skull character that makes the same audio. But I guess it's a Faceless Spectre. There were two options I had set for Christmas. It was the Faceless Spectre or the skull one, both of which I think had the audio I was looking for. And it looks like this is what we ended up with. We ended up with the Faceless Spectre, which is pretty cool, classic Sunstar and Gemmy. Definitely one I can work into my haunt a little better than if I would have gotten the Reaper. His hand is stuck. His hand is stuck in his face thing. So this is him. He is of miniature size, as to be expected. I knew what I was getting with this when I asked for it. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. Do we have it? Is it damaged? I think we might have a damaged item here. So this also came out even though it was wrapped in this bag. Don't know. Not sure whose fault that was. And then, so we've got the classic, like, little circuit box here that I'm gonna have to deal with at some point. And his head is, here you guys can see it right here actually. This is, it came off. The adhesive fell off, so the foam head, it is just foam, by the way. I thought it was plastic, but it is foam, which I imagine is to keep it lightweight, which I guess is reasonable. But yeah, let's just put that back in there. Rough start. Hanging Faceless Phantom. You can see down here, we do in fact have, I think that's in focus, maybe. Can't really get that thing to focus. The Sunstar logo. So I am using the right logo, guys, when I do my overused audios. And this does, in fact, have an overused audio, guys. Here we go. So yeah, his audio is absolutely atrocious, guys. I think the fact that the speaker is, well, the speaker was actually pointed. Okay, the speaker was pointed away from me. This audio just, it hurts my ears, guys. It is so bad. Okay, it is just so bad. I hate it so much. But I wanted to have this item because it's kind of a classic. Kind of Sunstar, one of the more recognized and I guess respected of the Jemmy items, even though that audio is just, oh my, it's just, I just like it so much, guys. But I did get it for the channel, guys, and I wanted to continue with the overused audio, and I had a few requests for this audio, so I wanted to answer that, and I was able to get it as a present, so that's nice. Not a fan of the fact that his head came off. Sunstar, what are you doing, bro? But yeah, this is him, kind of, in all his glory. And is that a feather? There's a feather in there. Not sure what that's about. This is a unprecedented review here. Why is there a feather? I have no clue why there was a feather, guys. But this is the Faceless Reaper guy. I think his head will still move. No, it won't because his head fell off. I might just re-glue that. It's probably not a big deal. I don't think it's worth the trouble. This took weeks to get here. It was ordered around Christmas time, and it took like 2 weeks. And so, yeah, maybe I might do like a review on this. Not super positive because the head fell off. Definitely a fixable thing with how I know exactly how to fix it. But I shouldn't have to do that, if you know what I mean. I'll reattach his head. I can't really hang him up because of that right now. Like, I can't hang him up for a demo. I'll activate him one more time. I'm excited to have this because I can get this audio ripped for you guys and underway. It's the Gothic Collection. I don't recall what store that is from, but yeah. Here we are. Eerie levitating and floating around, not included. But anyway, guys, I think that's about it for this unboxing. Just wanted to keep it kind of brief and short. I know it's like 9 minutes long for this, but kind of happy to have this thing. It's a present, so I definitely appreciate that. But a little disappointed about the head. That shouldn't have happened. Maybe if they had done something other than hot glue. But yeah, that's the Chain Reaper with these chains here. These chained together, chain Faceless Spectre. Halloween decoration. Very good name. Well done. Yeah, I'll see what I can do to fix it, or maybe return it and get another one. But I'll see what I can do to audio rip this item for you guys as well. Doesn't look like it's that much is sealed. But anyway, guys, I'll deal with that myself, and you guys will just see the finished rip for the overused audio. Don't worry about too much behind the scenes. That's what I'm here for. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed and maybe got some entertainment value out of this. I know it's kind of weird and random, but you can give me your thoughts on this item in the comments down below. Let me know if you've had a similar issue with Sunstar before, if you've ever had anything arrive broken. But, yeah. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!